some Mountain Park Lunar New Year festivities. My name is Jason with Life American Society, and we will be doing a Dragon Boat demonstration. And today we actually have a couple special guests from our Moho Toso Dragon Boat team. We have Mr. Frankie, who's our Dragon Boat captain, as well as Jenny, who's our captain today. So before we get started, obviously you guys are looking at how long this thing is. Who wants to take a guess at how long these Dragon Boats are, first off? Give you an idea, we said about 20 people in this boat. Who wants to take a guess how long this is? You. How long? You're close. You're a little too big though.
40.
40. We're 40 feet now. Now for and that's for what we practice in the U.S. You know, when you go to other countries like China or Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia, where we do have a dragon boat tradition, these boats are actually way longer, probably about 60 people to a boat, 80 people to a boat, or even 100 people to a boat. And those boats are actually made of a single piece of wood. So you're talking about imagine a long tree that they carved out just for dragon boat races. However, these boats are the boat we have here is actually made of fiberglass, so that they're actually regulated through the IDBF International Dragon Boat Festival, and that's actually a regulated body that is actually oversees international competition as well as standardization. And eventually, we might be seeing Dragon Boat festivities into the Olympic sport soon, as we saw the recent showcase in the Paris Olympics. Now, a little bit about this boat. So right now, we are looking about probably 900 pounds dry. When I say dry, it is a water sport, and sometimes things do happen, and things we do sink it every now and then because it does get a little intense in there. And we're looking about almost 3,000 pounds once it's fully loaded with water. So it does get a little hectic out there, especially with this boat racing in Lake Lanier. So you know. So what we'll be doing is taking a couple volunteers shortly, and we'll be doing a little bit of dragon boat demonstrations as well as a little bit of routines here. So I'll go ahead and have Jenny grab a paddle. So she's gonna go ahead and show the proper way to hold the paddle. So Jenny, you don't mind holding the paddle. So if you notice, her hand that's inside the boat is holding the top of the paddle. You're gripping it because it is a T handle, so you're using your whole palm to grab the top of the paddle. Your second hand, outside the hand closest outside the boat, was on top of the blade, which is that. So from the shaft to the blade, right here, is where you use your other hand to grab it. And the first command that we're going to do is what we call attention. So attention is when you are holding your paddle straight forward, right in front of you, and you're leaning. You're leaning as far as you can. That is a ready state. Basically, you're waiting for the next command. It could be a command that we say hold, back paddle, go, side sweep. It could be anything. But basically, this is the ready position. This is what we do right before we get ready to race. The next command we're going to go ahead and go over is called paddles down, or ready. There's a lot of different teams call it different ways, but in our team we call it paddles down. We are in the water. We're buried. That paddle's in the water. We're ready to go. And the next command, and it's not so much a command. It's more of a signal, a cue, anything. It could be a chime. It could be a siren. It could be a bell, or it could be the simple word of go. And then from there we pull back and we reset immediately. Paddles in the water for the next command. Usually that's followed by a number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And last command we go over is let it ride, which is we're in an upright position, we're relaxed, and our paddle is at waist position. And we're just letting the boat do its thing. So we're going to go over these 4 basic commands with a couple volunteers. So who wants to be a part of this? Who wants to be my paddler for today? We got 1, 2.
Gonna go on the boat?
Anybody? We got 2 paddlers. Well, you guys don't come on up.
You wanna go?
Anybody else? All right. Frankie, go ahead and guide him in. We got 2 more positions ready. Whoever wants to come in. You guys want to come in? Come on up. Come on up. one more. You ready to be my last paddler? You want to come up? Okay. All right. These brave ladies are going to be our paddlers today. Awesome, awesome. Now, we'll go ahead and get you guys in position. So remember, go ahead and review how we hold the paddle. All right. Let's see. You know, you got it. So Francis might help you her hold the paddle right.
There you go.
All right. So we'll go ahead and get to that first position, which is attention. You lean forward. All right, attention. Paddles down. Take it to the side. So imagine you're in the water. So paddles buried in the water. And what you want to do also, the key to this is you want to lean forward as much as you can. Because the further you lean, the more workspace you have, and the more you can actually stroke backwards. So you're able to translate that power much more. Okay? All right. I'm going to go ahead and give the cue in a little bit, and then we're going to take it nice and easy, okay? So the next command is go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're gonna let ride. Let ride. You look like it's natural. You want to do one more? You guys done. You do one more. You guys want to do it? One more? All right. A young pilot says one more. So we're not done yet. So we're gonna go for 2Ks. We're not gonna do 250 meters. We're gonna do 2 kilometers today. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and go to first position. Attention. 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 Paddles down. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let it ride. Go ahead and give a round of applause for these paddlers, guys. Now, for those that are interested in our Dragon program, as well as festivals that are occurring throughout the state of Georgia, there is multiple festivals that are held throughout the state of Georgia, especially in the metro area. There's a race coming up soon in Peachtree City. In the month of March and May, there's a race in Ackworth, a big one in Gainesville, the Hong Kong Dragwood races in September, as well as miscellaneous ones in West Point, Georgia, Macon, Savannah, and they exist throughout the whole state. So please be sure to check us out. So go ahead and give them one final round of applause. Anybody want to go ahead and go for a second round? All right. Thank you so much, ladies. Frankie might help them get out.
Yeah, you can put the blanket and make yourself comfy, okay?
Good job, ladies. Good job.
Okay? Make yourself comfortable. Yeah. Are you comfy?
Mom, can we go mini boat?
Okay, I'm gonna push.